Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to start your career at one of the world's leading tech companies? Then this opportunity is tailored more for you because Cognizant is hiring freshers for entry-level candidates for a trainee role basically, and with a skill in the data, Excel, and all that. And if you have that skill, then yes, you can apply right now. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the most because they're bringing three important hirings especially on this particular YouTube channel. And let's understand more about the job overview. The job is, as you can see on the screen, is of training, and company is Cognizant, and it's a full-time opportunity. Experience as accepted is 0 to 1 year, and it's based out of Kolkata, India. And CTC, you're gonna get competitive, which is very good in the industry. And let's directly discuss, jump to the responsibility section that what you would be doing as trainee at Cognizant. So you'll be basically involved into working with data using MS Excel, creating and maintaining performance, dashboards and reports, assisting departments with accurate data insights, performing data validations and audits, collaborating with team members and stakeholders, along with supporting ad hoc database tasks and projects. And this is a fantastic opportunity to build a hands-on experience in data analysis and Excel reporting. Plus, you'll also be a part of a dynamic working environment where you get a chance to showcase your skill and work with in a fast-paced environment. So the qualification required for this particular role is going to be like you can see over here. If your possess a strong knowledge of MS Excel functions, formulas, tools, etc., plus a great knowledge and attention to detail, accuracy, analytical and problem-solving mindsets, communication and collaboration skills, along with the basic understanding of data management principles. So these are the kind of skill sets and qualification required for this particular role. And they are also expected you to have a certification, which is a MOS certification in Excel. Uh, it will add advantage to your portfolio. It's not a mandatory kind of skill. If you have the skill, it's well and good. If you don't have skill, you can apply. Now let's just understand why wants to join Cognizant. So Cognizant is basically a Fortune, listed globally admired company, over 350,000 plus associate worldwide, and they provide inclusive, collaborative, and growth-oriented work culture. They they also provide a career advancement, learning programs, and support, plus opportunity to make a real impact in the global organizations. And then how you can apply, you just go for the direct link in the descriptions that we have mentioned over there, and then you can just apply as soon as possible because the sooner the better. And yeah, this is all about the wonderful opportunity at Cognizant. And if this sounds like the dream opportunity you are looking for, then apply today and start your career journey at Cognizant. And if you have any questions, drop in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to help you. Even if you're applying, you can just put a comment that yeah, I'm applying, so that we can get to know how many people are able to actually access our job things. And if you love our video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done till now, because we are bringing three important hiring daily on this particular YouTube channel. And turn on notification bell so you never miss out any important updates from our end. And if you want to learn data analytics for free, so we have other channel which is Tech. The link for the same will be mentioned in the description. We are coming entire data analytics series with 20 plus hands-on projects on that particular YouTube channel. So try to access that playlist and subscribe to our channel of Tech as well, so that you can learn the data analytics for free with 20 plus hands-on projects as well. And yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity to apply to this. And all the best with your application, and I will see you in the next video.